What is up, guys? Today we received a little gift from friends of ours, and I'm going to do our first unboxing video, which I don't know if you're going to watch, I don't know if you care, but apparently people like watching these things, so I'm going to pull apart this box and a little surprise. So a huge thank you to the guys at Kruve for sending out this beautiful pack of sifters, and of course this beautiful brew stick, which I didn't even know existed. So a massive thank you. It's a special edition. I'm pretty sure you can't buy this because I've looked for it. So again, thank you so much. There will be a follow-up video on the YouTube channel, me actually reviewing this product, not so much the stick but the sifter set, because I'm very intrigued and I am interested by their theory on a few things. But you'll need to jump over to the channel, subscribe, and you'll see a video very soon on this beautifully made product. So thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have yourselves a great day and happy brewing.
Party people in the place to be, yeah.